Nigeria may be next after Kenya. Commodore Olawunmi confronts Tinubu. He says, see, hey, you don't have to take Nigerians for granted. They're not a part person when they're hungry for back. You understand? With your policies and everything, what is happening in Kenya today might also happen in Nigeria. So the government have to be very careful. Following the wave of uprising and people's angers directed at government authorities across Africa, the latest being Kenya, a plea for caution has gone to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to take the resilience and patience of hungry Nigerians for granted. There is a level you push somebody, he will react, he or she will react. That is just what they are telling the president. The former Deputy Chief of Defense Administration at the Defense Intelligence Agency, DIA, retired Commodore Kunle Olawunmi, on Thursday in Abeokuta, sounded an alarm that Nigeria may be the next to witness a large-scale insurrection following after that of Kenya, unless the government takes urgent steps to assuage people's immediate societal needs. Dr. Olawunmi, now a lecturer and head Department of International Relations and Diplomacy at Christland University, Abeokuta, said this while delivering a public lecture of the institution's College of Arts, Management and Social Science. The lecture was chaired by the university's Vice Chancellor, Professor Chinedum Peace, attended by a large assemblage of academics and students. The lecture was titled The Nuance Between the Governance and Societal Needs and Peace in Nigeria. Hear him. Nigeria is in a state of anomie. The Nigerian state is today facing its worst economic crisis. Poor Nigerians are experiencing the privations in basic necessities of life with multidimensional poverty. Money politics has derailed societal well-being. Currently, there is what I call hopes dashed, whereby a few people have held Nigeria to ransom and have left the country undeveloped with little hope for redemption. The country is so unsafe, so unsecured, that you wonder whether there is actually any government in Nigeria. The scale of good life is skewed in favor of businessmen, politicians. This present cohort of leaders have held the nation by the jugular despite the abundant human and natural resources, and they have not been able to provide electricity for the populace after 25 years of democracy. Olawunmi continued further. What we have seen in Nigeria is a situation of predators in the corridors of power, whereby the real power moves further away from the people. Therefore, democracy remains an illusion of inclusion. The Nigerian singularity defies logic. Common sense and the ideas and values of democracy have become delusioned. The government of the day must be careful. I hope they are listening. It does not require smooth or soothsayer to know that the government has very little time to act urgently to listen to the crisis of the people. The cries of the people. Maybe Nigeria will be next after the people's revolt witnessed in Kenya, which happened because that government refused to yield what the people wanted. Today, the Kenyan president has almost completely lost control of governance, and he might even be contemplating resignation from office. May that not happen in Nigeria. Olawunmi an expert in global counter-terrorism, recommended that the federal government should urgently criminalize corruption with capital punishment via a legislation through the National Assembly as part of measures to prevent a new recruits in Nigeria. But how would that be possible when they are all part of it? How would that be possible? It's not going to be possible. We can see that God loves Nigeria more than other nations because Nigeria have honest and God-fearing citizens. Citizens who have the courage to say something when they say something. Now God has sent, this Olawunmi as a messenger to the federal government to start doing the right thing. The federal government will remain adamant because doing so will affect them first. The NAS and the federal government should yield to Olawunmi's statements advice. The Olawunmi statements advice for delay is dangerous, but it's taking a new Nigeria with perfect peace and unity will surely emerge. Okay? Not Kenya case even. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video. Let it go viral. Thank you and God bless you.